Good evening, everyone. It's your favorite Afro perspective Spanish teacher, Dajanna, in the mix for Resplendence Language Arts. And today we're going to learn about Spanish pronouns. So, Spanish pronouns, pretty easy, okay? In English, we say I. In Espanol, we say yo. Y-O, yo. Okay? Y and O, yo. In English, we say you. In Spanish, we say tú. Tú. T-U. Tú. In English, we say he. In Spanish, we say él. E-L. Él. Not L. Él. Él. Okay? In English, we say she. In Spanish, we say ella. E-L-L-A. Ella. You're wondering, why is it ella, not Ella? Double L's in Spanish give you the sound of j. So it's ella, not Ella. Okay, guys? Remember, it's ella, 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 not Ella. In English, we say we, right? W-E, we. In Espanol, we say nosotros. If it's a mixed group, men and women, or boys and girls, we say nosotros. If it's an all-male group, nosotros. If it's all women, all feminine group, we say nosotras. Nosotras. In English, we say they, right? In Spanish, we say ellos if it's a mixed group, male and female, or if it's totally masculine, ellos. We have that double L sound again. E-L-L-O-S. Ellos. Ellos. And if it's an all women's group that you're talking about, it's ellas. Ellas. E-L-L-A-S. Ellas. You're probably wondering, why masculine, why feminine? Well, in Spanish, we have gender-based words. It's a gender-based language. This is why you hear el carro and la manzana, okay? There's a lot of gender-based words. Most of the time, words that end in an A will be feminine. Most of the time, words that end in an O are masculine. But there are exceptions, so you have to be careful. And you can learn that in Afro Perspective Spanish classes with D through Resplendence Language Arts. I'm glad you tuned in for this video. Remember, we have Kids Summer Camp going on right now.